Welcome back to India Market Close on NDTV Profit. Let's just quickly look at Nifty 50 as well as we speak right now. Overall, if you see in terms of rates, it's again to see that buying interest coming in. We're above that 25,700 mark already. How sustainable is this going to be is the question, and whether we continue this upcycle, because this number looks pretty interesting. Nagaraj Shetti from HDFC Securities joins in. Nagaraj, welcome to the show. Again from the day's lowest levels, we are seeing some bit of recovery. We've retraced that 25,700 mark on Nifty 50. There is participation coming in from banking majors as well, like an HDFC Bank, Axis. These are the ones which are contributing. What is the strategy looking like at this hour and your topics?
Yes, good afternoon. Yes, rightly said, market is showing some buying again after the intraday consolidation. If you look at the chart, overall chart pattern remains range bound within a broader high-low range. Volatility has been at the best, at the high, and global uncertainties and global pricing escalations are impacting the market. The market has been moving around the support of around 25,400 to 25,900, 26,000 levels. And I think having bounced back from the lower levels of around 25,400, I'm expecting this to reach towards the important resistance of around 25,900 to 26,000 levels from the current area in the next at least a few sessions. And I have two picks from the long side. We know that broader markets, mid-cap and small caps have started to outperform after a small consolidation. And I have two stocks. One is from PSU banking side, that is PNB, Punjab National Bank. It has been in a consolidation phase recently and witnessed sharp breakout from the lows of around 120 and placed at the higher levels. Overall chart pattern is indicating a positive bias. The volume has broken out during the upside breakout. Currently trading around 130.50. One can look to buy at this point of time, and immediate upside target would be around 137. One can place a stop loss at 126. And one more is the Hemisphere Properties from the realty side. This stock has been in a larger accumulation phase over the last few months, and it has faced a strong resistance of 200-day EMA, and recently it has moved above that 200-day EMA and sustained above that level. Currently trading around 143. One can look to buy at this market current price, and immediate upside target would be around 149, and one can place a stop loss at 139.
Right, that's the view coming in from Nagaraj on Hemisphere Properties. Jeffries believes that the AI structure has the important commentary coming from SEBI chairperson. But moving on to our second rapid fire of India Market Close. And Nagaraj, buy, sell, hold. We need fast answers. We'll start with the first one. Trident and Kitex Garment. It's buzzing in the back of positive tariff change.
Hold.
All right. AU Small Finance Bank. It's de-empaneled by Haryana government identifying fraudulent activities at its Chandigarh branch. Exit coming in. Morpin Labs. The order, they have received almost 825 crore of it, and they are expanding into high growth CDMO segment. Your views on that?
Buy.
Axis Bank issuing clarification, no plan to submit any bid for stake in Credit Axis Grameen.
Buy.
All right. So these are the important stocks in the rapid fire coming in from Nagaraj. But coming back to the markets, Nagaraj, I want to take your BTST pick as well. Which stock will that be?
Hi, I am continuing with the same stock that I discussed a while ago. The first one is the Punjab National Bank. It is there around 130.30, 130.50, what we have discussed last time. And I'm expecting this to move up further, at least in the next short term. As I mentioned, the upside target of around current trading 130, 137 is going to be the upside target, and with the stop loss of 126. And the Hemisphere Properties that I discussed, it was in an accumulation pattern, now making an attempt to break above the accumulation, somewhere around 143, 144 levels. One can look to buy at this time, 143, and upside target would be around 150.
Okay, so that's with regards to where Hemisphere Prop is concerned. That's what you're looking at so far as we speak. But moving on, let's just quickly look at few of the other sectors which we are watching out for. Nagaraj, quick view when it comes to PSUs, because we see 3 consecutive weeks of gains when it comes to the PSU Bank Index. There is some positivity that has continued in today's session as well. Would you still be a buyer on the charts?
Yeah, technically still it is positive, though it has more placed at the higher levels. I don't think there is still any reversal pattern forming at the higher levels. I think 1 or 2 days of consolidation, we could see this PSU banking sector moving up further in the short term.
All right, let's just pull up IDBI's chart as well. Is seeing a good uptick coming in for the counter. Nagaraj, your views on these counters?
Yeah, IDBI has been in a constant up move recently, tops and bottoms on the chart, indicating a sustainable up move. Currently placed at the hurdle of around 118, 119 levels. I'm not expecting a big hurdle for this time, and eventually we could see IDBI Bank moving above this resistance in the near term.
That's with regards to where IDBI Bank divestment is concerned. But moving on, you have the but thank you for that. Nagaraj, quick view when it comes to Godfrey Phillip. I don't want to talk cement with you, but that stock is seeing profit booking after 18% surge last week. What are charts indicating? A further downtick, or is there a reversal possible?
Yeah, short term it is the reversal. The way it has declined 11% from the higher levels. The 200-day EMA has acted as a strong hurdle, and the stock price has reacted from the higher levels. I think there is a support for the stock around 2000 level, and even though further there may be some more consolidation after having declined sharply, and we could see the stock bouncing back from the lower levels from the support.
Right, thanks a lot Nagaraj and Gurmeet for taking out your time for NDTV Profit and giving views on both fundamental and technical basis. But looking at the markets, of course,